Your secret weapon for your side hustle online to finally take off. Let's unravel the thrilling world of ChatGPT. But here's the deal. In order for ChatGPT to be your ultimate sidekick, you have to show it the ropes. Just like training your puppy to be on its best behavior. I guess minus the barking and with way more income potential. I think actually this is going to be quicker than training your puppy. Since you have significant personal and professional responsibilities already, like mortgages, family, existing jobs, it's hard to find the time to put into your side hustle online, right? For it really to take off. But by teaching ChatGPT to be your ultimate agent and assistant.
All right, quiet on the set.
But by teaching ChatGPT to be your ultimate assistant, you can finally start progressing towards your goals and dreams of your side hustle. Did you know? According to Forbes, 80% of businesses credit AI for giving them a competitive edge. Yours is next. All right, we're going to do 3 things today. First, we're going to teach ChatGPT about your business. Then you're going to learn how to prompt properly so that ChatGPT gives you the answers that you're looking for. And the third thing that you absolutely cannot miss today is going to be at the end, so keep watching. So how do you teach ChatGPT about your business? Well, I'm going to show you 2 ways. If you have a website already, we're going to copy the text from your website and put it into ChatGPT so that you can learn about your business. If you don't have a website, I'll show you how Gillian Perkins suggests that you do this in a little bit. Alright, so first, this is how easily you can put your website text into plain text and put it into ChatGPT and teach it about your business. Head over to totheweb.com and click Convert HTML to Text. Now put your website link into the field, click I'm not a robot and convert to text and see how quickly and easily this is done. This is great, so you can now copy all of this and put it into, for example, a Word document where you can edit it a little bit. There are some things you might not want to include. Had I done it on my website, it would have been a tedious job to copy and paste everything that is sitting there. So this is a much quicker way of doing it. And once you've done that, you put the whole text into ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to learn about your business. It actually answers back with, in my case, suggestions of how to actually improve my YouTube strategy, my community building, my business focus. So it's actually awesome to get this feedback back from ChatGPT. Now, the other alternative, if you don't have a website, you could follow Gillian Perkins' advice. This is how she does it. So put this in a prompt. I'll read it to you now. You are an expert marketing strategist like Gillian Perkins, and you're going to help me come up with marketing ideas, strategies, and content to grow my online business. My business strategy is to first give away free information to help my target audience find the solutions and answers they're looking for. And then I offer them the opportunity to join my email list before finally going for the sale. Alright, so that's what Gillian will put into ChatGPT to teach it about her business. Now she's also going to put in this next part that I'm going to read to you, which is actually a really good exercise for any business owner to do to become crystal clear on what the purpose of their business is. So I suggest you do that even though you do have a website that we've gone through already. So here's the exercise, and you're going to put all of it into ChatGPT to teach it further. I'll read it to you. Here's a bit about my business and target market. I help blank to blank. The methodologies I teach include blank, blank, and blank. Now, if you do that exercise, you're going to be much clearer about your business, and so will ChatGPT. So what has ChatGPT answered back to you when you have done this now? I'm so curious. Please tell us in the comments of this video. Okay, so it's not just about the bot understanding your business, it's also about you and your bot understanding your audience. So now I suggest you ask ChatGPT about your audience's pain points. That way you can address them in your marketing. So check out these awesome examples that are the pain points of my audience, you, that helps me understand my audience better and ChatGPT understand you better. And I can base future videos on them. Hey, smash like if this is helpful. Thanks. All right, let's go to the second step. Now that you have taught ChatGPT about your business and your target audience, it's time for you to learn how to put the prompts properly in order to get the answers back that you're looking for. You want ChatGPT to be your marketing expert, your YouTube wizard, your financial advisor, your content creator, etc., right? Just to name a few. So here are examples of how you can address the bot to get the answers you're looking for, depending on who you want it to be. So this is like asking a genie for wishes, right? But you don't have a 3-wish limit, and you don't have a lamp, of course, you have your keyboard instead. So check out these prompts. They're tailored to kick off the expertise in ChatGPT. Marketing expert. I need marketing insights. Can you provide strategies to enhance brand visibility and engagement on social media platforms? Or, I'm drafting an email newsletter. Can you assist in crafting compelling subject lines and content that resonates with our target audience? So as you can see, each prompt starts with a description of the task that you're performing right now. YouTube expert, I'm planning a live streaming event. Can you please suggest activities to keep my audience engaged? Sales specialist, I'm working on a sales pitch. Can you assist in creating persuasive language and objections handling for a sales presentation? Content creator, I'm working on blog posts. Can you generate engaging headlines and content ideas on trending topics in our industry? Please share your experiences and prompts in the comments of this video as well. Hey, if this is helpful, remember to subscribe and hit the bell so that you get notified about everything online business. Right, now that we've done the 2, it's time for the 3rd. So you can absolutely not miss this part of teaching ChatGPT. So once this is in your routine, along with the other 2, you are set up for massive success. It's going to free up loads of your time, it's going to make you more money, and you're going to be able to stay out of overwhelm and burnout. So listen, ChatGPT, like humans, oddly enough, needs feedback. It needs your specific feedback. So you actually have to tell it how it did. Just like your cute little puppy, which will probably forget what you told it, but ChatGPT won't. So you have to tell it if it did good or bad. And I'm not kidding, keep providing it feedback. So there you have it, 3 major steps to teach ChatGPT about your business, your audience, to teach yourself how to prompt properly. But wait, there is more. In our next video, you'll learn 7 ways that ChatGPT can skyrocket your business. See you in that one.